match natin yung budget at yung tulong at yung atensyon dito po sa pagpupugay na yung Free College Law ay ang pinakamagandang programa. Hindi lang po dapat ito nakikita sa mga SONA, dapat nakikita rin ito sa budget na talagang nandyan po yung suporta. So we support the Chairman of Finance, we support the Chairperson of Higher Education in the move to increase the budget to pay back yung mga deficiencies. Napag-usapan po namin to ni Dr. Ronquillo nung nabisita ko po siya. Alam ko po na napaka-stressful na alam ho nating nag-ooperate tayo at a deficit. Tapos tila bang ang sinabi sa atin, bahala na kayo kung saan nyo kukunin yan. Parang ganun po yung nangyari. So we will make sure na matutulungan po yung mga SUCs with this funding. We will move to restore the budgets na natanggal noong 2025. Alam ko po yung tertiary education subsidy na nakat po yan in 2025. We will move to restore that. Apart from supporting the SUCs with the deficiency, apart from the request for more support for capital outlay, MOE, and personal services. Kami po dito from the first day, marami po sa amin and of course supported by Chairman Gatchalian, sinabi na po namin itong flood control kung tatanggalin natin, dapat pupunta sa edukasyon. And rest assured po, hindi lang po yun sa basic education, even though I am the chairman of basic education, we will make sure that support goes to basic and higher education.